Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Yan na sa ating elements na Libra. Ay, gabi na sa Pilipinas. Yan na, okay. Dito is tanghali. Lala Baby po nagpapakilala ha. Libra with the elements of air. Yan na, okay. Bigyan ko kaya ng timeless reading kay sa mga natitirang araw-linggo ng buwan ng June at sa papasok na buwan ng July. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and shares. Ito po is general reading. Hindi po ito personal or private reading. If you want a private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby. So tingnan natin saan tayo dadali na ng inyong tarot cards. Narito ang tinatawag na the two, okay? The energy of the two of clubs. Yan ha. So titingnan natin ha. So nakikita ko kayo, energy ninyo. Okay? Oo. Saan ito? Saan iyaan? Diba? Nag-iisa. So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na the three of spades. Yan ha. So it's like meron dito, okay? It's you, di nag-iisa ka, no? Your energy. But, kumbaga dito'y sumunod ang tinatawag na them. So it has something to do about you and them, okay? Whatever is that, maybe sabihin na natin meron ditong pag-uusap, an action, diba? A movement, a short travel, or communication, or palitan, exchange words, yan. Exchange, sabihin na nating letters, di ba? Yan, kung ano man ito ha. Ito something, maybe it's a news, maybe a news from them na may malalaman kayo, di ba? Okay? Maybe ito ay sa mga kaibigan, sa mga kapatid, sa community, sa trabaho, di ba? Sa group of people. Maaring ito ay sa networking, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, hindi ito tinatawag na simpleng usapan. Yan ha, okay? So, ang nakikita ko dito ay new, okay? Very, very new, okay? Yan, bago. It's like bagong balita, bagong usapan, bagong malalaman. It's like may bagong malalaman ikaw from them. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the five. The five of, sandali lang ha, clubs. Yan ha. So, ito uli. It's like tinatawag ikaw at sila. Yan ha. So, what's new? It's like sinasabi dito. It's like naririto yung tinatawag activities. Yan ha. Whatever is this. Ano ang laman? Okay? Ano ang nilalaman ng tinatawag na the three of spades dito sa tinatawag na the five of clubs. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito is like tinatawag, malaki ang competition. Maybe it has something to do about business. Maybe you and them, meron kayong business. It's like, meron kayong relationship. Diba? Okay? Maaring dito may mga pinag-aaralan kayo. Diba? So, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na, it's like a market. Diba? So, maaring for some of you, kung sino itong tinatawag na kausap nyo, di ba? Kumbaga dito minamapping sinosoning ang market, di ba? It's like nakikita dito, the competition is very, very high. Yun lang ang nakikita ko. So maybe sabihin na natin na meron ditong activities, mukhang meron ditong activities na mangyayari. Maybe fun, di ba? Going out with friends, di ba? Maaring ito'y sabihin na natin it has something to do about hobbies, sports, or maaari ito'y pagkakaperahan, di ba? Or pwede rin ito yung tinatawag dating. Okay? Maybe you will go out para, halimbawa, ikaw ang nanliligaw or sila ang nanliligaw. It's like sabihin na nating ito yung tinatawag magpapangilanlanan na. Okay? It's like getting to know each other. Okay? Maybe ito'y sabihin na nating baka ito is tinatawag na pwede rin yan na a table for two, di ba? A romance. Yan ha. Love, romance. Pwede rin sabihin natin outing, di ba? Picnic. Yan, okay? So, narito rin yung tinatawag susugal. Maybe you and them, susugal. Kung ano itong susugal. May papasok eh. It's like maybe a love relationship or a business, di ba? Or sabihin na nating makikipagsapalaran. Okay? There is a competition, very high. Makikipagsabayan. So, ibig sabihin nito, very, very positive. Diba? From 5 of clubs to the 5 of hearts. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na pareho kayo ng energy. Okay? Pareho kayo ng nararamdaman. Pareho kayo ng vibration. Okay? It's like there is a soulmate. The aura is, it's like the feeling is mutual. Kung ano itong 5 of clubs, the feeling is mutual. Okay? So it's you and them. Pwedeng isang tao, pwedeng 10, 100 tao. Diba? Maybe it has something to do about business. There's something to do about gambling. There's something to do about adventure, love, romance. Maybe sabihin natin baka ito is siblings, diba? Or family, relatives, whatever. Kayo na lang po ang mag-fit, ha? Kung relate naman kayo. So, naririto ang tinatawag na damon. Okay? Damon. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, this is your emotions, di ba? Yan, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's like tinatawag na, yan, di ba? It's like pareho kayong absence, yan. Kumbaga dito, hindi nakikita, ikaw at sila, di ba? Very secretive. I do not know what is this. It seems like very, very secretive. Halimbawa, usapan, very, very secretive. It does not need to be published. Or hindi pa ito kailangang, it's not yet time, okay? To announce whatever is this. Kasi meron ditong tinatawag na, it's like a commitment, di ba? Nabuo, it's like the plan, merong plano, nabuo, yan ha. Pero ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag is not yet ready to publish, okay? To announce, okay? Publicly. Kaya na lang po kung kayo relate. Salamat na marami. Whatever is that. Kaya na lang po. So, naririto ang tinatawag na action. Yan o. Sa tinatawag na the Knight of Swords. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na agreeable. Agreeable, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, dahan-dahan lang. Whatever is this, di ba? Dahan-dahan lang. Yan ha. Okay? It's like tinatawag na kailangan ito is i-confirm maigi bago yung tinatawag na announcement or publish, okay? Kasi meron na dito. It's like tinatawag magbe-build na ng relationship, papasok na, okay? It's like tinatawag kailangan na dito yung legalities, okay? Maybe permahan, whatever is that, di ba? So, nagkaroon ng tinatawag attraction, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yan, the emperor. Okay? So, sino ang the emperor? Adi ang the Libra, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na you are confident about this. Yan na. Very, very confident kayo. Kung ano man itong relationship na ito. It's like building up relationship, a commitment. Yan o. Di ba? It's like nakikita dito yung inyong tinatawag na maturity, di ba? It's about your ano ito? Yun na nakikita ko, confident. Confident ka, okay? Na ito'y magwa-work out. Yan. So, whatever is that, ito yung tinatawag na you are waiting. Yan ha. It's like tinatawag na, sandali lang ha. Either ikaw ito or sila yan, di ba? Or maaari sabihin natin, ikaw ito, sila ito. They are waiting, di ba? Okay? Let's say sabihin natin hindi sila ang nagpadala nito, di ba? Kasi meron na ditong tinatawag very, very agreeable. Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na align with harmony, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yan, kung ano man ito, di ba? It's like, sabihin na natin sila ito, ikaw ito, iniintay the decision, di ba? Kasi kumbaga dito, hindi pa ito pwedeng i-publish or i-announce. So, they are waiting, okay? Either ikaw ito, sila ito, di ba? Halimbawa sabihin natin, sila ito ang nagpadala nito, di ba? So maybe sabihin na natin you have to slow down because you have an air energy, di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, they are waiting for your decision or you are waiting for their decision, okay? Para ito yung tinatawag mag-materialize, okay? It's like tinatawag ipapublish na, okay? Or announcement. Is that a love romance, a marriage? Ano yan? Negosyo, investment? Yung tinatawag nagkaroon ng success, di ba? So, yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na success. Yan. Whatever is this, it's like tinatawag transparency between you and them. Them or you, di ba? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, good decision. Okay? Ano man yan? It's like gambling. Okay? Sabihin na natin, ano tawag dito? Susugal. Okay? Susugal sa pag-ibig, sa negosyo, sa kanila, di ba? Investment, sabihin natin, tawag dito, partnership. Okay? Kasi ikaw ito. Yan, no? Ikaw ito. Biglang nagkaroon ng tao. Di ba? So, it has something to do about partnering, di ba? So, ang nakikita ko dito, tinatawag magkakaroon ng success between you and them, di ba? Yaan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, pare-pareho kayo ng ideas, pare-pareho kayo ng paniniwala, pare-pareho kayo. Yung tinatawag na the aura, the energy. So, ito sandali lang. So, there is a publishing na. There is an announcement, di ba? Kasi nagkaroon dito, yan o, nag-tie up. So, magkakaroon na ng tinatawag announcement, okay? So, what will happen? Tingnan ko lang, curious lang ako, what will happen? Nabuo, it's like nabuo ang isang relationship, di ba? Black and white. So, magkakaroon po ng blessing, okay? Ibig sabihin ito, yan na. Kung sino itong makaka-interaction ninyo, makaka-partner, or yung tinatawag na giving your yes, di ba? Surrendering your yes, ganun din sila. It's like sinasabi ay tayo, soulmate tayo. Ayan, no? Ibig sabihin ito, magkakaroon ng success. Whatever is that, kayo na lang po kung kayo relate. Okay? So, salamat po ng marami.